I'm just pulling to the driveway right quick. I know I just not hit this girl. You better have insurance, cause oh my back! Oh, she got me messed up. Ooh. I do not have insurance. First of all. Second of all, as soon as I undid this car, you was not on top of it. So where did you even come from? Come from? You better have insurance because my back hurting, my legs hurting, my foot hurting. Oh, you just hit me with the car and she rejected it? There's thousands of people watching. So, if you try to reject or try to deny, it ain't gonna work, honey. It ain't gonna work. I'm leaving you. I'm not paying you nothing.